Dear friends, let me now take this moment to introduce you to Ms. Diksha Dhawan, the Chief Operating Officer of Anvika Healthcare, the proud parent company of the esteemed brand Lintex. So let's hear it, ladies and gentlemen. It's now time to hear it all from her, and we invite her here on stage so that she can actually, share her thoughts and, of course, put some light on this wonderful, wonderful brand.
Firstly, thank you everyone. We have gathered here to experience the first ever fashion show for medical apparel. I thank each one of you for your presence here and welcome you all to unveil the future for medical apparel in healthcare sector. I think which is not done ever before. But before we start, let me take you to a journey from where it actually began. The inception of an idea, a vision, and a passion, the birth of Lintex. Working in hospital and aviation industry for over 2 decades, I understood the impact of how an attire can transform a normal individual to a perfect professional. A uniform has the power to bring the best out of you, enhance your confidence, add value to your efficiency, and get all your strength together to face the world. And not only this, uniform is a key driver for adding value to a brand to stand out. All of us would remember when Jet Airways had launched their yellow uniform for their crew. I think it was talk of the town. Similarly, when we utter a word of CAT Black Commandos, I think the black color and the impactful uniform is the only reason for them to be called as Black Commandos. May it be an elegant sari of Air India, or a vibrant color of our Indian cricket team, or the green color that we use in our Indian army uniform. I think uniform is the answer for everything. It creates an impact. So why healthcare should be left behind? That's the idea behind this fashion show. With the same thought, the idea was conceived by our very own managing director, Dr. Ashish Chaudhary, who strongly believed that each uniformed person working in healthcare, maybe be a surgeon, a nurse, a GDA, a housekeeping staff, or a security staff, or a front desk staff who's facing the audience at any point of time, should have complete confidence in their attire to provide desirable output, without having worried about the safety, security, and care and comfort. With his ideation and my passion, together we blended a beautiful brand called Lintex. Then came the concept of Lintex, a stylish, progressive, and made in India brand for medical sector. Over a period, Lintex had made its mark for quality garments, focusing on innovation in fabric in terms of cost effectiveness, sustainability products, and so on. Very recently, we have been coming up with our latest range of fabric developed with recyclable bottles and bamboo plants, which is a gift to our Mother Nature to save the Mother Nature.